Yay! Good morning. Current time is 10 a.m. and it's cloudy with chance of meatballs. We're going to have our breakfast in a bit. I hope that we can find something yummy. So yesterday Cathay Pacific was so kind to reschedule us from 10 a.m. Oh no, 10:30 a.m. flight to 8 a.m. So we arrived in Hong Kong around 11:45 and we arrived in our hotel around 1 p.m. Our breakfast here at Café de Coral. They say they serve a lot of delicious food, so we're gonna try it. It's a rainy day again here in Hong Kong.
We went here, Dada and I, and with some friends. It was 2017, and you were in my tummy. I was still pregnant with you.
We're on our way to Ocean Park, but it's raining, so good luck to us. It's raining. Okay, we're here inside the Ocean Park. It's raining. Can't do anything about it, but just to enjoy the moment.
And just accept the fact that your shoes are gonna be, well, you know,
Wet.
they're gonna be wet in there.
Grand Aquarium.
They look so big, Chloe!
Still raining. I have a surprise for you. What's that? Huh? Yay! On our way to the pandas. Let's go. Wow! Giant Panda Adventure.
You like the red one?
Such a cutie.
Are they gonna?
Wow. Boodle time. We're going to take the train going up. Now going to the marine world to see the show, whale show or orca. Let's see.
咁屋企咧就會有90到1，而且啲牙齒都係呈單。
Unfortunately, they canceled the show because it's raining. Baka mabasa yung mga dolphins kaya cancel yung show. Anyway, let's go and move forward. Since the dolphin show was cancelled, we went down to Shark Mystique, Megalodon.
Did you see that?
Dia may stingray mark ay mataray mark ko.
Taking a break first. Yan, eat muna tayo ng fried chicken. Ayan. Ah. South Pole. Yeah. Arctic Fox Den. The hair racer. We're done with the ocean park and we're going back to the cable car to go back to the city. And I don't know where to go next. Let's see. The last time that we went here, there were vendors around. Now it's nothing now. I don't know why. And some of the stalls are closed. Yeah, I can remember. There are so many vendors here, but now no one. This part also here. There are no vendors around, so I don't know what happened. Old Hong Kong, Sloth and Friends. Sleeping, alright. The other one is here. Also sleeping. Last minute order. Thank you, Ocean Park. Got so tired from our Ocean Park adventure. So heavy. So we just rested for a bit and then now we're back on track. We're going to our friend's hotel. Yay, we found the ice cream truck. Mr. Softy. Chloe wants to try. Yay. Let's go. Eat fast. La.
The other side also go. You have to turn the
Going up.
You press here. I know you and you what do you call that?
Insert.
Insert. Okay, insert and then you press 9. Yeah, every day. The carpet. They will change that every day.
Guys, you're awesome. On our way to somewhere we don't know. It's raining again here in Hong Kong. Time check, it's 11:20 p.m. A beautiful harbor. It's 1 a.m. in the morning and time to go home.